Hi, good evening everyone. Today I am going to discuss about development communication, its meaning, definition, and what does development communication means. So, the definition includes the practice of applying process, strategies, and principles of communication to achieve positive social change. That's the main definition of the role of communication in developmental activities. So, development communication refers to the use of communication to facilitate social development. We are more concerned about society and its development, for which the communication has to help in developing the society as a whole. So, the development communication techniques that includes information dissemination and education. That's the main purpose, and that has to lead to behavioral changes. Definitely there will be social marketing, social mobilization, media advocacy, communication for social change, and mainly we are concerned about community participation. So, according to Erskine Childers, defined it as development support communications, which is a discipline in development planning and implementation in which more adequate account is taken of human behavioral factors in the design of development projects and their objectives. This is the definition said by Erskine Childers. So, this refers to the use of strategic communication to facilitate the alleviation of social problems in evolving societies. So, now let's understand the functions of communication in developmental activities. Initially, communication for development was vertical, that is one way, and it is top down in its approach itself. So, there was no feedback, or if at all there was a feedback, it was delayed, and the feedback was not necessary because people's views were not considered important in the one-way communication or top-down communication. But today the scenario has changed. The communication is circular and participatory. This has added some duties to communication for development. The functions therefore specifically include but not limited to. So, there are 5 elements of communication, that is, the number 1 is human empowerment and consensus building, and the third one is capacity building, and the fourth one is consensus building process. The fourth one is transmission of culture, and the fifth one is the process of cultural transmission. So, let us look at these 5 elements of development communication in the next class. Thank you.